Hi guys, welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. I'm going to be showing you how to change a pollen filter, cabin filter on a smart ForFour. It's very easy. You don't need to remove any of these panels or anything like I've seen other people do on YouTube. It's actually showing right there. The only thing strange about this, there's no cover on it. There should be a cover, but there isn't. Anyway, you pull this out. And you look at the airflow, it's going towards the car inside. You can see all the rubbish coming out. Anyway, what I like to do is just quickly start the car and blow the air on the fan just to blow all that rubbish. Get the new cabin filter, make sure the air flows the same way, facing in, over there. And then just pop it back in. So